Welcome to your daily dive into the latest tech and finance headlines. Get ready to explore the innovations and insights shaping our world today. The integration of AI in traditional industries like manufacturing, logistics, and energy is not just a technological trend. It represents a fundamental shift that enhances operational leverage and profitability. With companies such as Siemens and Oracle showcasing tangible benefits, from reduced downtime to significant cost savings, these advancements indicate a growing recognition of AI's practical value, moving beyond mere speculation to measurable impact. As highlighted by industry forecasts, the anticipated adoption rate of AI in logistics alone underscores the urgency for firms to embrace these innovations to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Oracle's report highlighting a 15% reduction in logistics costs and a 35% decrease in inventory for early adopters of AI technology underscores the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in traditional industries. These figures not only reflect significant operational efficiencies, but also indicate a growing trend where businesses leverage AI to enhance supply chain management. This shift could lead to wider industry adoption, driving competitive advantages, and reshaping market dynamics. Noloco's impressive metrics underscore the transformative potential of AI in traditional industries, particularly in inventory management and pricing strategies. The reported 35% inventory cuts and 65% service level boosts illustrate how AI can streamline operations while enhancing customer satisfaction. These gains in efficiency and profitability, alongside a 15% decrease in costs, indicate that integrating AI could become a critical competitive advantage for businesses seeking to optimize their performance. The sparse availability of energy-specific EBITDA data highlights a significant gap in understanding the financial implications of AI integration in traditional industries. As generative AI continues to evolve, the financial results prior to 2026 are likely to undergo substantial revisions, underscoring the importance of continuous monitoring and analysis in this rapidly changing landscape. This uncertainty emphasizes the need for stakeholders to remain agile in their strategies as AI technologies mature. Toyota's integration of AI technology enables a single operator to oversee multiple robots, significantly enhancing labor efficiency in traditional manufacturing processes. This shift not only optimizes production capabilities, but also reflects a broader trend in the industry, where automation is increasingly leveraged to address labor shortages and rising operational costs. As firms embrace such innovations, the implications for workforce dynamics and competitiveness in the sector are profound, highlighting the necessity for workers to adapt to evolving technological landscapes. Jaguar's focus on self-optimizing lines and inventory management underscores the growing importance of AI in enhancing operational efficiency within traditional industries. By minimizing excess stock and reducing capital tied up in inventory, companies can significantly improve their financial performance. The shift from basic inventory management to more advanced agentic AI systems capable of autonomous risk handling suggests a pivotal change in how businesses will approach supply chain dynamics in the future. UNESCO's assertion of achieving 30% cost reductions through AI in manufacturing and distribution underscores the transformative potential of technology in traditional industries. However, the emphasis on the necessity for data integration and effective change management highlights a critical bottleneck. Without addressing these foundational elements, companies may struggle to realize such benefits. This points to a broader challenge in the industry: the need to not only adopt new technologies, but also to align organizational structures and processes to support them. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed our dive into the latest tech and finance news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more updates. See you next time.